Hey there, Ada Pulse family, it's Josh from ATM Stake Pool back with another exciting deep dive. If you're new here, Ada Pulse is your go-to source for all things Cardano and crypto, funded by the lovely and beautiful Cardano community through Project Catalyst. Now in today's video, we're exploring the practical uses of Web3 that you can start using right now. You've probably heard the buzz around Web3, but what can you actually do with it today? So let's break it all down. So from decentralized finance, DeFi, to, NFTs, Web3 is packed with tools that put more power in your hands. So stick around to find out how you can start using Web3 platforms right away. And as always, if you're holding ADA, make sure to delegate to ATM Stake Pool to support Cardano's decentralization whilst earning those yummy rewards. But enough of that, let's jump straight into this. So what is Web3? So what exactly is Web3? To understand Web3, we first have to look at how the internet has evolved. Now think of Web 1 was all about static web pages, basically like read-only. Web 2, which is kind of where the internet is now, is more interactive. So you have platforms like Facebook, Google and YouTube letting users create and share content. But the catch? These are big companies and they own all your data. And so that's where Web3 comes in. So Web3 aims to give control back to the users. I mean, it's built on decentralized technologies like blockchain, which means there's no central authority owning your data or controlling your interactions. Instead, you own your data, your assets, and your digital identity. It's all about decentralization, privacy, and, in a funny way, transparency as well. Practical use 1, decentralized finance. So first up, we've got decentralized finance, or DeFi. Now, if you're into crypto, you've probably heard a lot about this already, but here's why it's so important. DeFi lets you do everything you can do in traditional finance, but without the middlemen like banks or brokers. You can lend, borrow, earn interest, and trade directly on blockchain-based platforms. Some of the most popular DeFi platforms include like Aave for lending and borrowing, Uniswap for trading on Ethereum, and for those of you in the Cardano ecosystem, we've got things like MinSwap and SundaySwap, where you can trade ADA and other native tokens. And the best part? You're in control. No need to rely on banks, just you and the smart contracts that you're working with. Practical use 2, NFTs and digital ownership. Next up, NFTs. Now, I know what you're thinking, NFTs are just expensive digital art, right? Well, NFTs are a bit more than that. At their core, NFTs represent digital ownership, whether it's like art, music, in-game assets, or even real estate. NFTs allow you to truly own and trade digital items on the blockchain. Platforms like OpenSea on Ethereum or JPEG Store on Cardano let you buy, sell, and trade NFTs. And because they're on the blockchain, you can verify ownership easily and know that what you're buying is authentic. It's opening up new ways for creators to connect with their audience and for users to invest in digital goods. Think of that OnlyFans star who created NFTs so you can have access to her and speak to her directly. Practical use 3, decentralized identity. Another cool use case of Web3 is decentralized identity, or DIDs as they're known. Imagine being able to prove who you are online without having to rely on centralized services like Facebook or Google. I mean, that's what decentralized identity is all about, giving you control over your digital identity while keeping it private and secure. On Cardano, Atala Prism is a leading platform for decentralized identity. It allows users to create and manage their own digital identity, which could be used for things like verifying your credentials for jobs, education, or even online services. So this puts control of your data in your hands. And it's one of the most promising real-world applications of blockchain technology, in our opinion. Practical use 4, decentralized autonomous organizations. Next, let's talk about DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations. DAOs are like online communities where decisions are made collectively and the rules are enforced by smart contracts. So no CEOs or boards, just the people who own tokens and having voting power. On platforms like Aragon or Project Catalyst is probably a good example. Users can vote on proposals and make decisions together. This gives everyone a say in the direction of the community or platform, making governance more transparent and fair. And so if you're interested in contributing to Cardano's ecosystem, Project Catalyst is a great way to get involved. And that's how we get our funding, through the community voting for us through Project Catalyst. Practical use 5, Web3 gaming. Web3 gaming is another exciting space where blockchain technology is making a big impact. So unlike traditional games where your in-game assets are controlled by the game developers, Web3 games gives you full ownership of your in-game items as NFTs. So that means you can trade, sell, or use them across different games or platforms. So games like Axie Infinity and up-and-coming projects in the Cardano ecosystem let you earn real rewards by fully owning your in-game assets. It's gaming, but with the added bonus of true digital ownership. Imagine earning crypto or NFTs just by playing a game. How to get started with Web3. So how can you start using Web3 today? It's actually easier than you think. First, you need a crypto wallet that supports Web3 applications. So Ethereum, you can use MetaMask. For Cardano, wallets like Nami or Eternal will connect you to dApps and Web3 services. Once you've got your wallet set up, you can start interacting with DeFi apps, buying NFTs, or joining DAOs. And if you're holding ADA, you can even stake it with ATM Stake Pool and earn rewards while supporting the network. It's all about taking control of your digital life as such. Conclusion. Web3 isn't just a future vision. It's happening right now, and you can start using its tools today. So from DeFi to NFTs, decentralized identity, and DAOs, Web3 is putting power back in the hands of users like you. So, why wait? Get out there, explore these spaces, and make the most of what Web3 has to offer. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates from ADA Pulse. And remember, if you're holding ADA, consider staking with ATM Stake Pool to support Cardano's decentralization, and me, but whilst earning rewards yourself.